Hello everyone, I'm Karen from RPAGEEK and I'm thrilled to welcome you to our session in App in a Day using Power Apps. Today, we'll delve into the world of Power Apps, exploring how you can harness its capabilities without the need for extensive coding knowledge. Our focus will be on creating an application that's both practical and user-friendly. This is basic inventory management app called Contoso Coffee Machine Inventory. It's a three-screen app which showcases the list coffee machines along with all their essential details. It's also allowed to edit details and add new entry in the app. This app will revolutionize how you manage your inventory, providing a seamless experience for tracking the latest coffee machines. So without further ado, let's embark on this exciting journey together. Let's get started. In order to create application in Power Apps, you need to sign into your organizational Microsoft 365 account. If you don't have the one, you can enroll for Power Apps Developer Program, which offer a free trial environment for creating Power applications. Now, once you signed in into Office 365 account, you can select Power Apps from the App Launcher menu. This will take you to the Power Apps Maker portal where you can begin creating your app. To begin with creating our app, we require data, so we're going to create our first app with an Excel table as the data source. We can use any Excel table as a data source if you formatted the data as a table and saved it to a data source that you have access to, such as OneDrive. I have already saved the Excel file on OneDrive which contains coffee machine inventory details. Let me show you how it looks like. Now head back to the Power Apps Maker portal and select the Create option from the left side menu. Then select Excel as the data source. Upon selecting Excel, you will have to create a new connection to OneDrive for Business where you have stored the Excel file. Now click on New Connection and select OneDrive for Business. Then click on Create option and select Microsoft account by which you have logged in. Once you connect with OneDrive, under Choose an Excel file, find and select Coffee Machine Data. SSX, you can search for it by using the search field in the upper right corner. Then under Choose a Table, select Coffee Machines. In just a few moments, Power App shows you a fully functional app with a mobile look to it. To get an idea of what it looks like on your mobile device, use the preview button that looks like a play button on the upper right near a save icon. Select the play button or press FF and try out the interface. Notice that you can scroll through the list of items, select an item, see some item details, edit item details, and save cancel your changes. When you build an app with the Excel button, you quickly can have a fully functional app. Now let's exit the preview mode by pressing the X in the upper right corner and then save this app. To save the app, select the Save button and enter a name for this app in the Save as pane. Then select Save. And there you have it. Building a three-screen application with Power Apps is as simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and gained valuable insights into harnessing the power of Power Apps for your projects. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to stay tuned for more upcoming videos where we delve deeper into the world of app development with Power Apps. Until next time, happy app building.